Today I'm going to show you how to make super tender and mouth-watering lamb chops. So buckle up and get ready to... Oh no, it's a Lamber alert.
Leo cooks things, I cook things.
We're going to start by making our seasoning. Notre assaisonnement. We're going to start with 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, boop, and 1 tablespoon of bleak pepper, 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Boop, 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 boop. Mix it all up, and that's our seasoning. Reserve this for later. Woo! Gonna need some chives today. And now we're gonna chop up some chives. Chop up some chives. The secret to cutting perfect chives is to use a really sharp knife. And if you don't have a really sharp knife, just use AI instead. That was fucking weird. Chop your chives. And now we're gonna season our lamb chops. Put our seasoning on there. Uh-oh, someone call the lambulance. Moving on, we're gonna start these fat down on a cold pan because I wanna render out that fat. That way you get a really nice bite and it's not like super chewy and gross. Super chewy and gross. Now we're just gonna put them down. Purtiful. I wanna cook these to a medium, so about 135 degrees internal temperature. Just gonna flip these guys. Yeah. Ouchies, it's hot. Once they're about done, I'm gonna brush them with a little Dijon mustard. Only on one side. We're only gonna do one side. The mustard is gonna add a nice little flavor and it's gonna help the chives adhere. Adhere to the rules. I'm gonna pull these off. Whoa, that could have been bad, but it wasn't. Control, I have it. Now we're gonna dip the lamb into the chives. Don't worry about that, it's just so you can see better. We're gonna dip the lamb in the chives. Make sure you press it down really nice. Ooh. And that's what you get. Gorgeous. We're gonna finish it with a little bit of lemon zest. We're also gonna do a little tiny bit of olive oil on top. Oh, Black Betty, lambulance. Into my face you go. Lamb is so good. That's awesome. Lambulance. One more just to make sure. Lamb is so good. Bye, friends. Oh, okay.